Rescue. We're doing a Mitchell with Coke experiment. Watch out with YouTube channel subscribe button. Click right here on the subscribe button and comment down below. Watch out a Coke Mitchell video of explosion.
All right. You want me to help you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, step back. Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and we're coming swapping the UPS truck here. Today's the day. Last night, in the middle of the night, I went and picked up this, what was supposed to be a short block, but ended up getting a few more things. Here's a 12 valve beginner kit.
Wow. Your truck looks a lot neater.
Oh, thank you. So what I'm going to do today is paint this block and get it set in the truck. And we've got the truck ready to go. Wow, I've already said that. If you haven't seen what we've already gotten accomplished, check out all the other videos and let's get into it. So brand new rods, a crank, camshaft, a head, and a block. So all I've got to do is find everything else. That shouldn't be a problem. Got brand new rods here. The block itself is it's an International Harvester block, so that's cool. The block's already been bored to 40 thousandths over, and it just needs to be honed. That being said, using a dingleberry hone is about one of my favorite things to do when working on cars in general, so I'm excited to get my own and hone this block myself. Also, gotta put a P-pump on it. Alright, I've got a machined head as well. It's already been surfaced. I'm gonna double check that, but the block's been surfaced as well. Double check it, but supposedly. Clear up some space for that head first. I'll put it in there. I just got the head and everything put in the truck. I'll just show you. But the name of the game is disorganized until I get everything put back together, because I've just got all the engine parts and stuff stored around in here. Here's the head, there's the rods, there's the crank on the ground there, so I got to take that to get polished. Cam looks fine. I'm gonna polish that. Okay, I've got the conversion kit pulled out, so I'm gonna go through this. I don't even remember what's in here. Obviously I've opened all the boxes, but this is the adapter for the transmission. Oh, there's a flywheel. This is the flywheel. There's a nice new pretty flywheel. Being said, here's the kit. There's a coolant plate. I don't remember what half this stuff is. Okay, we got stuff from usshift.com for the transmission computer. There's a manual, motor mounts. Oh, cool. We've even got these are solid, but the actual isolator itself. What's this? Power steering line, some angled pipes, hose clamps, and bolts. Yeah, pretty much everything we're gonna need, even hose adapters. Cool. So this is awesome. I'm super excited now that I finally have all this stuff. I'm also super relieved. We're gonna build this out. I'm gonna build it out myself. I'm gonna put the short block in the frame once I get the short block built, and then I'll just build the engine in the frame since there's so much room. Don't believe me, just watch. Tons of room. Work on it from in here if I want to. So I'm happy, excited, all of the above, every positive emotion I'm feeling right now. Hopefully everything goes well, but I'm gonna paint this block. Let's check it out. All right. This is on the tailgate. If I get paint on my truck, I don't care anyways. But this will be easier to work on. Yeah, I was careful for my back. Didn't hurt anything, just kind of scooting this around, but I also don't want to scoot anything around on the surface here that's supposedly been machined. So let's take that off. Get her painted. Looking good. I'll show you. I'll time lapse this. All right, it's primered. POV hyacinth. I said purple, but I was thinking hyacinth the whole time I'd already been to the store to look at this train. All the different colors.
That is so cool.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I got some overspray on this backside here, but that's no big deal. I'm gonna take a flat blade to that where the gasket surface is, and then I'm gonna soak this bottom. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I know, I saw it too. And I'm just gonna take this off and soak it in some paint remover. Everything else that didn't need to get paint in it though is a-okay. And it looks awesome. Okay, I've got the block here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the motor mounts on. Oh yeah, these are nice. And make sure I've got the right one on the right side. But that's nice to have. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the frame because there's no other better storage place for it, and that's nice and weatherproof. These are beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my shiny stuff on this motor for now because it's so pretty. I feel like Christmas. I need an expansion plug for over here, so y'all need to make sure I don't forget to do that at some point. If I don't, I'm starting to run this truck and I never included that in a video. Somebody better say something. I'm just gonna hook a chain up to it and get it put it in the frame over there. I think I gotta drill a hole and take these old mounts out, but we'll do that real quick. Okay, here's the setup for getting those motor mounts out. There's not much room. And I've got to get the nuts for the bottom of these. So it's quite fun. That's an easier way to do it. Should have done that afterwards. Now I'm gonna get paint on my bone. Dang it. All right, there we go. I think I need to drill a hole in 2 places on this one. I think normally in just 1 place I would have to. I'm not sure though. I'm gonna try and line this up first. No, I've got a manual. I'm gonna read the manual, and if it's obvious, I'll do that. And if not, I'll put the engine in and try and figure out what's making sense, and then pull it back out a little bit and then drill the hole, but we'll see. Okay, these holes are in. I think those should fit, but I'll put these motor mount blocks on first and onto this after, because this side should be in there for mounting it. This side's slotted. This side of the motor mount is slotted, so I'm gonna put the blocks in and then line it up on the slotted side after. All right, I've got it on the lift. I'm gonna go ahead and set it in the truck. Scoot that a little further up on the chain. It's starting to angle down a bit. All right, easy peasy. I just got it set on these mounts real quick. I don't even have them tightened, so they're just off centered because it's not even lined up to the transmission. I just want this in a nice safe place for now. So that was easier than I expected, and I'm really glad about that. So I can just keep this stored in here or wherever I want to. Thanks for watching. I'm Ernest. This has been a long day again, but hey, got the new core in there. So from here, this is ground level up. I'm gonna start building it from here. So probably gonna take me a little bit. I'm gonna have to acquire all the parts I'm missing. I'm gonna probably find out every single time I think I'm done, I'm missing something else. So I'm anticipating this will probably take several weeks, but that's all right. We'll have it up and running and it'll be in perfect shape. If you like the video, subscribe and like so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you on the next episode.